Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video, and in this video I'm going to be looking at a special edition of the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro. You know, it's very rare to actually see smartphone companies bringing special editions of their smartphones in the country. And I think one of the companies that has been synonymous with bringing special editions of their phones has been Tecno. We saw it with a special edition of, Phantom, if I'm not wrong. And in this video, I'm going to be looking at a special edition of the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro. That, of course, the SPARK 9 Pro series was launched in the Kenyan market a couple of months ago. And just this week or last week, Tecno is bringing the special edition of this phone, the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition. So Designwork, a BMW group company, is also responsible, for the design, color, material, and even finish of this particular model. And of course, fusing the world-class automobile design and luxurious touches with SPARK trend design language, Tecno says this particular device, the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition, creates a distinct icon of the young and their culture, allowing them to actually express, their aspiration for passion, speed, and style. So let's go ahead and unbox the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition. Yep, so let's go ahead and see what you are getting in this box. Of course, we have this nice packaging here, of course, with the all BMW colors, just splashed all over this particular box, with the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition text, of course, highlighted at the top of here of this box. On the other side here, the right side, we actually have the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition text again, highlighted, splashed all over here. Let's see. Again, the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro again text on this particular side. At the back here, of course, you have some specs highlighted here. And remember, as I said, you're basically getting the same specs we saw on the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro, with the main difference just being the design and color of this particular phone. Yep. So let's see, what color is Tecno calling this? It's actually calling it the Kyanite Blue. I hope I got that pronunciation right. The 128 gigs and 4 GB of RAM again for this particular phone. Yep, so let's go ahead and just check what you are getting in this box. So let's see what you are getting in this box. I already removed the paper wrapping. Yep, so the first thing you get to see here, it's actually the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition itself. Let me just remove this wrapping, and there you go. Such a nice, beautiful looking phone you have here. Yep, I'm gonna put that aside and see what else we're getting further in the box. Yep, there's a casing here that Tecno has added to protect your phone. There's a warranty card here, a charging brick right there. Let's see this smaller box that I believe contains a pair of earphones. There you go, a pair of earphones there. And then not really lastly, but yeah, there's USB Type-C, cable right there. Then there's a SIM ejector pin right here. I hope you're able to see that. Yep, so basically that's what you have in the box. Wow, so there you go, the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition. Looks really nice. I love the colors and what Tecno and BMW did playing around with these particular colors. But let me just I know of course we've done this before on a separate video of the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro, and remember, as I said, the specs are just the same as we saw with the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro, just that the Sports Edition features a different design that you have here and some really nice colors just highlighted here at the back of this video. But let me just take you through what you're getting here. So we are getting a 6.6 inch full HD display with a 1080 and 2460 pixels. Again, the display features a 90 hertz refresh rate. The phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 processor. We're getting some 4 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. It's an Android 12 device based on iOS 8.6, and again 128 gig of internal storage. For the cameras, right here at the back, so it's a triple camera setup headlined by a 50 megapixels main camera. I'm sure you can see the 50 megapixels AI camera text, splashed right there at the back. So yeah, so the headline is the 50 megapixels main sensor. This unit also includes a 2 megapixels in-depth sensor and an AI lens. So for selfies, right here, the selfie camera is a 32 megapixels selfie camera. So for the battery, again, 5000 milliamperes battery, and Tecno has added an 18 watts charger in the box. Yeah, so here's the thing. Let's talk about the design, because that's really the main highlight of this phone. So Tecno says the application of this color, the application of this color and pattern is always the first language for Generation Z, which Tecno is actually targeting on this particular phone. So taking its cue from an icy crystal talisman, the blue and white color scheme of the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro Sports Edition, the company notes, reminds people of the power and drama of the superhero. So Tecno says the Sports Edition of the SPARK 9 Pro and parallel triangular texture also elevates the phone from a regular high-powered handset to the mobile phone counterpart of a frontier luxury sedan. So the use of triangles, as you can see right here at the back, which is traditionally symbolizes stability and power, allows the Sports Edition to convey the sense of identity and confidence that comes with owning a premium car. Yep, and a premium car, I mean, for them, should be a BMW. At the same time, the dynamic triangular design also brings the phone to life and expresses a feeling of speed, which reveals the internal capabilities and diverse functionality of this particular device. So yeah, so I love what Tecno has actually done. Tecno and BMW have done, with this phone, around the color, the triangles, and basically the overall design and look feel of this particular phone. Yep, thank you so much. I think that's it for this video. Remember, as I say, this phone features just the same specs we saw with the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro, and the only difference here is the design, the nice colors that you are getting with this special edition of the Tecno SPARK 9 Pro. This phone is available for 21,500 Kenyan shillings, and you can actually grab one from Tecno Bannet shops and e-commerce platforms such as Jumia and Kilimall. So give me your thoughts. Would you pay some extra money to get a special edition of this phone? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to share, subscribe for more future videos. I'll see you in the next one.